Hindi ko nakilala si Era Spanky. I don't understand. Kasi hindi ko naman siya pinalaki ng ganyan. Why is she acting like that?
I guess you should start to see where she's coming from. Everything has a reason why she does those things. I just hope that Era's perspective about this can change. After the numerous confrontations she's had with Lilette, she can no longer accept that Lily and Lilette are the same person.
What I don't understand is why she would risk her life and her career just because of this. She has totally crossed the line.
She may have insecurities she failed or refused to deal with. And after everything you've done to shelter her, she can no longer accept the idea that she needs to compete for you. When truth is, there is no competition.
Kailangan ko mahanap si Lilette. Kailangan ko siyang makausap. Kailangan ko makausap ang anak ko, Spanky.
Ses. Nasaan si Lilette?
Ira, ano na naman ba to? Umalis na nga ako sa firm eh. Nagpakalayo-layo na ako, pero hindi mo pa rin ako tinitigilan.
I don't even know what you're talking about. Sinong hindi tumitigil? Ako ba? Sinong sumugod? Nagdala ka pa ng alipores mo.
Huwag ka nang mag-deny. Bakit mo sinabi yun sa press? Kung gusto mo akong sirain, tanggap ko na yun eh. Pero yung may ibang tao nang nadadamay, pinalala mo pa yung sitwasyon ni Esther eh.
So that's what's bugging you?
Alam mo, araw-araw, palala ka ng palala.
You know what, Bonnie? I don't even remember asking for your opinion. So keep it to yourself. And for you, Lilette, you're barking at the wrong tree. Alam mo ba kung sino yung nagpakalat sa press? Huh? Si Matty. Because she wants to ruin you. That's how much she hates you.